This video is going to show you how to change the domain name that you use for your website on easyservicewebsites.com. Keep in mind your domain name is referring to like the www.yourwebsite.com or whatever domain is that you purchased. It's actually very easy to use. So you can use any domain name that you purchase through companies such as GoDaddy or One-in-One or whomever you'd like. We do not actually sell domain names via Easy Service websites, but you can use it from any outside source. And so let's take a look how this works. Once you log into your account, just go to websites at the top. You'll see a list of your websites. Go ahead and click on the website that you want to change the URL for. Here on this page, you'll see some different settings. Obviously, the website name is just a reference that you can use. It doesn't actually show up on your website. Has the layout you're using, the template, and of course, we kind of list all the various layouts right there. Notes are just your own notes. No one else would see this but you. But down here are their domain names. Now you have two choices. A custom domain name would mean something like www.mywebsite.com, or it could be whatever you want it to be. Or if you don't own one of these, you use what's called a placeholder domain name. So we could click on that. It could be like your business name beta.easyservicewebsites.com, or it could be any of these endings basically, where you have your company name at the beginning dot and then one of these endings. And of course, you can always change this anytime. You could start with a placeholder domain name and then come back and eventually change it to a custom domain name. Once you're done, of course, you just go to the bottom and hit save. Keep in mind though, if you're using a custom domain, it's going to ask a couple extra questions. For example, do you already have email set up at yourdomainname.com? And if so, is it through one of these companies or who is it through? And you would also have to set up these name servers. Just typing in the domain name won't make it work. You'd have to actually go to the company where you purchase your domain name and set up your name servers to match these. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact support. If you find this video helpful and want to see more tips on using your Easy Service website, be sure to follow us and subscribe on YouTube.